Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create soft link or symbolic link in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You can create symbolic link both for files and directories. Now, first of all, I am going to create a symbolic link of sales file in my desktop, ln hyphen s for symbolic link. Now, type the file name, sales, and now type the destination name. My destination is temp. Type the file name. Now type the link file name, sales link. Now hit enter. The symbolic link has been created. Now I am going to check ls temp ls hyphen l temp. Now hit enter and look, this is the symbolic link and the file size is file 5 kilobytes. Now I am going to show you how to create symbolic link for directory. First I am creating a directory mkdir ss. I am creating a symbolic link of this directory ln hyphen s, the directory name, and the location back, and the link name dlink. Now hit enter. The link is created. Now I'm going to check double L slash back. Now hit enter and look, the directory symbolic link has been created in root back directory. This is the easiest way to create symbolic link of files and directories in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.